So I'm looking a little closer at the seam between the garage and the house, and you can see water flowing out of the foundation from underneath the house here. I never noticed this until now. I'm assuming there's other spots that are similar, but this one in particular really is easy to see the water flowing out from under the kitchen. Apparently there's a lot underneath the back there, underneath the washer and dryer too. I don't know if the video is really catching it, but you can kind of see the water flowing a little bit. It's flowing pretty good. Little rivers going to, ultimately where it all pools here in the floor, and then eventually washes underneath the garage door.